headlights.
All right, we're here at the Main Street Garage, Norfolk, Virginia. These are the Little Dovers.
Look how short those elevators are.
Okay, now we're gonna do the ultimate test with me in it. Because oh boy, I'm the ultimate test here. Yeah, these are little bitty. Let me just stand in it. All right, I want to see these lanterns. Look at that.
Stand right there. There we go. That's a good thumbnail.
Good. Yeah.
Good.
Cool. We're gonna go up to 9.
Don't make this stop, Jeff. I don't want to be stuck in here.
These are so small.
This one sounds like a microwave. If we really want to wish for it, we can wish for the fan to go away.
We're gonna have to go somewhere where they're like outdoor elevators.
We're having fun.
Yeah.
Now there's a good view up here, so let's get out.
Yeah, for sure.
Look how the door's not centered down there.
Wow.
It's cheap.
Oh yeah, nice view.
I hate to tell you this, in any elevator, any parking garage, we're not gonna lie.
Wow, look at all the. There's the main, whatever that is.
It's a hotel. It's a nice hotel.
Nice view though. There's, and we got the Marriott.
So you're gonna get some time in between you.
All right, that's pretty neat. Back down. Watch it. Watch your. This is like the biggest ADA fail right here.
This place is from 1991. How do they do that?
All right, here we go.
Actually, let's see if it's immediate flow.
Look at the drawings of the elevator.
I want to see if
Alright guys, we're going back down. Let's see when we get down.
Turn this down to 8s or 7 or something.
That place not.
I want to see if there's an ADA fail on one of the lower floors. It literally sounds like a microwave.
Food's ready. We have the uneven doors. I want to see an intermediate indicator too.
No, it's not an ADA fail here, just on the 9th.
Oh, cool. Look at.
Cool. Look at the intermediate indicators. Let's see if we can get the other one.
It may just switch.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, those are pretty neat. Well, those are supposed to be like vandal resistant ones.
I think they've been replaced. To be honest with you.
They're like aftermarket.
But they're certainly cool.
I don't think the other one's coming up. Is it?
Right.
You just have to send this one down.
Yeah.
Go down.
Let's press 1 and
Let's
see
press.
let's see if it'll come up. Oop,
Alright.
I hear it.
Yep. Now the other one's coming.
Dover controllers, eh?
Yep.
Look at that button. Look how nasty it is.
You have a nasty up button, but like kind of a nicer down button.
That was a cool light.
Alright, we're going to the black hole again.
We'll go to the top and then down to the bottom.
This one's dark. This one also has a different beeper.
We're in the black hole.
Look, these doors aren't level either.
Is it
These things are-
the door or is it the logo that's
I
off?
think it's the door.
The door that's uneven, or is it the logo?
I bet it's the door. This, I mean,
I would think they would make the logo even.
yeah, me too. I mean, these are a testament to Dover. I mean, even traction, because Dover wasn't never really good at traction. These are still pretty good.
No, they weren't.
They were great at hydraulics, though.
I know, no. I mean, they're holding up, because obviously they're not being maintained. Look at this thing. I love it, the huge Dover panel.
So you're getting a signal now?
In this one I am.
Wonderful thing.
Here we are at 1.
A little fast. Maybe not. No, it's a slow.
Dover.
Look at that, November 1991.
That's pretty cool.
Can't believe they put that step up there.
Main Street Garage. Look at those elevators. Visit Norfolk.
All right, well, that'll be it.
And there is a